Here I have LG Q6 and let me show you how to insert here the Nano SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by switching off the device. Let's press power key right here. From the following menu, let's choose power off and tap power off again just to confirm the whole operation. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards you need to find a tray for your device. The tray are located right here at the left edge of the device. So let me insert the tray for SIM and SD card. This is the first one right here. Let's use some Faber Tackle special eject tool. Let's just press it right here. Now you can remove the whole thing from your device. Let me do it. And as you can see here, you can insert the micro SD and Nano SIM. So let me do it. Let's start by using the micro SD card. Here I have such a card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that position. Now let's insert the Nano SIM. This is Nano SIM with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card right here. Now you can put the whole tray into your device. Let me do it. Let's push it to the end. If you would like to insert the second SIM, you have to open the second slot right here. Let's use the same tool, and here you can insert the second Nano SIM. In my case, let me leave it empty. Let me just press the power key to switch on the LG Q6. The device is turning on. Let's wait a few seconds. Excellent. Now let's unlock the screen. Let me make sure that both cards works properly. So let's choose settings. Here you can choose the first tab, which is, let me close the messages from my SIM. The first tab, which is wireless and networks. And here you can choose the dual SIM card. As you can see, the device is reading our SIM card, so it's a good sign. Let's go back. You can choose general. And here let's find and select storage. Under phone management, tap storage, and here we may read that the device is reading our SD card, so everything is alright. You can use both cards. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.